The 2020 Suzuki GSX-R1000. Suzuki improved its GSX-R1000 ahead of MY2020 in a bid to reclaim the King of Sportbikes crown, as the factory so succinctly puts it. This rebuild comes close on the heels of the last revamp that landed just a couple short years ago, but it adds some significant features, most of which can be found under the hood or in the electronics suite. A couple of tweaks to the frame tune handling characteristics, while the cornering ABS feature and variable valve timing engine carries over from the previous generation. All in all, Suzuki turns in a very streetworthy racebike that's nothing short of a technological showcase on two wheels. 2020 Suzuki GSX-R1000 design. The wind-tunnel-tested attributes of the GSX-R1000 are apparent at a glance. The wind-tunnel tested attributes of the GSX-R1000 are apparent at a glance. In front, the fender uprights multitask as supports for the close-fit fender, but they also protect the swept areas of the fork tubes. The uprights act as shunts to guide the incoming air away from the tube and into the slipstream as it passes over the engine cowlings in a bid to lower drag and improve penetration. Up top, a smoked bubble screen forms the rider's pocket with standoff mirrors mounted on the mullions, and I have to gig the factory for missing an opportunity to integrate the blinkers with the mirrors, a fairly major oversight.
To read the full article, check the link in the description. If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.